up, Sasquatchers? It's your guy Zane coming at you clean. Today, we will be doing an unboxing video from Amazon. It will be a humidifier. Now, this is a Elk Ridge knife made by Tom Anderson. It is $15 from Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. It's great for cutting boxes, hunting, fishing, all types of purposes. Let's dive into this unboxing. Now, one thing I do want to forewarn you guys on is that this humidifier is no longer on Amazon as the company that it was on there as, but it is still on there. It's just no brand name on it. I will put the link in the description below to the actual website of this exact humidifier. Now, this thing is top fill, which makes it very easy for you to use. It's ultrasonic, so you don't hear it as it's on. Please don't forget to recycle. And another thing amongst opening this that I recognize is that it's fairly lightweight. It's not the heaviest of heavy humidifiers. It's pretty sturdy. It comes with a set of directions, instructions, or whatever you want to call them. I will not be using these today at all. I hate instructions. I like to figure things out on my own, unless I get stuck. Now it comes with a auto timer button, a mist level button, heater settings, which is for your heat levels. I think I already said auto timer, but a power button, and it also has a timer, which goes from 1 to 9 hours. And for the rest of this unboxing, I'll just be showing you the features left on the inside of the bottom of the humidifier. And I will also be giving an example of me using a humidifier for my plants. Now you have a good day and understand one thing. It's your guy Zane, and I'm coming at you clean. Be blessed.